Ever flipped a coin and gotten the same result 10 times in a row? Felt like the universe was playing a cruel joke, or maybe, just maybe, you were experiencing a stroke of incredible luck. Well, if you identify as a Gemini, you might be wondering if that lucky streak applies to your finances too. Are Geminis destined for financial windfalls, or are they doomed to forever be counting pennies? Buckle up, Gemini fam, because today's video dives deep into the world of astrology and explores whether Geminis have a special connection to cold, hard cash. Now, before we delve into the cosmos, it's important to acknowledge that astrology is not an exact science. It's more of a roadmap, offering glimpses into potential tendencies and influences. Your financial situation is ultimately shaped by a complex web of factors: your work ethic, spending habits, and even a dash of plain old luck. But hey, who doesn't love a good astrological prediction, especially when it comes to money? So, what does the celestial map say about Geminis and their financial fortunes? Well, get ready for some double-edged swords, because Geminis, like their celestial twin symbol, are a paradox when it comes to money. On the bright side, Geminis are the social butterflies of the zodiac. They're quick-witted, charming, and have a natural talent for communication. This makes them excellent networkers, and networking, my friends, is often the key to unlocking new opportunities, including those with a handsome financial reward. Geminis are also known for their intellectual curiosity and adaptability. They're not afraid to learn new skills or explore different career paths, which can be a huge advantage in today's ever-changing job market. Plus, their inherent optimism makes them resilient in the face of financial setbacks. They're the type to bounce back with a smile and a new get-rich-quick scheme, although maybe a healthy dose of realism alongside that optimism wouldn't hurt. However, there's a flip side to the Gemini coin. Their love for novelty and excitement can sometimes translate into impulsive spending habits. That shiny new gadget or that weekend getaway might look tempting in the moment, but it can wreak havoc on your long-term financial goals. Additionally, Geminis can struggle with commitment, and this can extend to their careers. They might jump from job to job, missing out on opportunities for promotions and salary increases. Finally, their desire for instant gratification can lead them down risky financial paths, like gambling or get-rich-quick schemes. So, while Geminis might have the potential for financial success, they also have some inherent challenges to overcome. So, what can a Gemini do to tip the scales in their favor? Here are a few astro tips to help you navigate the financial world. Embrace your strengths, channel your communication skills into effective networking. Use your adaptability to explore different career paths, and don't be afraid to ask for a raise. And remember, optimism is a powerful tool, so leverage it to stay motivated on your financial journey. Curb your spending. Before swiping that credit card, take a beat. Ask yourself if the purchase aligns with your long-term goals. Maybe even institute a waiting period for non-essential items. Develop a plan, set realistic financial goals, and create a budget to achieve them. There are plenty of budgeting apps and resources available to help you on this journey. Seek stability. While exploring different career paths can be exciting, consider sticking with a role that offers opportunities for growth and financial security. Think long-term. Don't fall prey to the allure of quick fixes. Invest in yourself and your future by building a solid emergency fund and exploring long-term investment options. Remember, Geminis, astrology can offer some insights, but you are ultimately in control of your financial destiny. By harnessing your strengths, acknowledging your weaknesses, and taking concrete steps towards your goals, you can create the financial future you deserve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.